Initially, we were using a very traditional approach to teaching with a whiteboard and computer, and we wanted to improve the quality. We felt that in the market that technology was becoming very important in education, and we wanted to invest in a product that would meet the requirements and the necessities of the current English language learner. And that has, as a result, improved the quality of our language teaching and the delivery of the teaching, and to allow the teachers to be able to access things and do things that they weren't able to do before. We have campuses in 2 different cities, so in terms of that, it required managers to travel frequently from city to city. As a result, we've managed to reduce the amount of travel by having collaborate sessions on the interactive white screens. In terms of the teaching, before that, the students couldn't be as participative as they could have been. Now the students can come up to the board, they can deliver presentations, so it's added a much more unique perspective to the learning experience. The quality of the teaching and the quality of the learning is much better in my experience since we've had these. One of our goals for 2017 was to reduce the amount of paper usage. So in order to reach our green targets, we've introduced the interactive white screens. At the moment, we're using them mainly for our high school preparation courses, because that has been the most important course to improve at the moment, and then slowly we will start implementing them with other courses. So Brown's partnership with Ricoh has been very valuable. We've found them very helpful whenever there have been some technological problems or we need some advice. They're always on call to help us, and we feel that Brown's is a very good partner to Ricoh as well.